Welcome back, everybody, to the third episode of the masonry repair. Let's put some water in. About to get started mixing. Stay tuned for the next steps. Hey, everybody, checking in on the last steps of the project. Like before, I was driving in screws and mortaring them into the brick. I might have to do a little bit of trimming down on some of the layers of brick now that I'm catching up with the existing. So this is how the project's turning out. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more home renovations because there's a lot to do around here. Alright guys, this is kind of what we came up with. As you can see, it's a little sloppy on the mortar work. I had to chop a bunch down with my grinder with a masonry bit on it, and totally took that foundation, support very crookedly. Just to recap on some of the stuff you need to do this job, you need to have the right mortar. Masonry grinder will help, especially at a house like this where pretty much every job is going to be a custom job. Your trowels, all your masonry equipment, and then again I use screws to adhere the brick to the wood. Any questions, leave it in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help. Hopefully I can get into more about actually how to tuck point and set the block. I'm not a professional at all. I kind of just go off of eye. I was trying to use a level, but the face of the house isn't completely level either. As you can see, I got a lot more repairs to do around here, but that was just to cover up that hole. I'm actually really happy with it. Yeah, the mortar isn't gonna match, but that's okay. I do believe they make a mortar paint that you can go in and paint all that if you care. I'm not really too concerned at the moment, considering the other areas of the house need a lot of attention to. Yeah, they do make mortar dye, but it's really hard to mix it in every batch to get it the same, and I'm pretty confident it wouldn't match the existing mortar. This looks like the original stuff here. But hey, thanks for checking out my YouTube video. I'll be coming up with more videos of this sort if you guys are interested in home renovation, especially a lot of custom jobs. You know, these jobs aren't cut and dry by any means. I can showcase a little bit of work I did a couple years ago. I actually went ahead and I copper flashed that in after I was finished with that roof. I'm actually doing a lot of research into metal roofs. I want to be able to do a roof that is basically maintenance free. So my next repair will probably be up on this corner over here where we have a shingle up there blocking that hole. As you can see, we got that tin counter flashing, or whatever metal that is. It's not ideal, but copper's really expensive, but it looks great. And really thankful that I was able to complete this project with no major disasters. I didn't have a cave-in or anything of that sort. So, all right, guys, thanks again for tuning in to the Sam Scheffler YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more projects. I'm trying to restore this house one project at a time. That was a relatively small project. I have a roofing project coming up and some electrical projects. And thanks again. Have a great day. God bless.